Namaste, this is Dafi TV. On today's corporate news, we have a report titled is Preliminary Agreement between Naval Bank and Nepal Bangladesh Bank for Acquisition. Naval Bank is going to acquire Nepal Bangladesh Bank. A preliminary agreement was signed between the two banks on Thursday for the acquisition. As per the MOU signed by Naval Bank to acquire Nepal Bangladesh Bank, the share swap ratio has been fixed at 43 shares of Naval Bank equal to 100 shares of Nepal Bangladesh Bank. However, the bank has informed that the initial share exchange ratio will be finalized based on the evaluation of the property liability assessment report. The agreement was signed by Uday Krishna Upadhyay on behalf of Naval Bank and Indra Bahadur Thapa on behalf of Nepal Bangladesh Bank. Banks have set a target of completing the acquisition within 5 months. After the acquisition of Nepal Bangladesh Bank by Naval Bank, the bank's initial capital is Rs 43 billion, paid up capital is Rs 22.5 billion and loan amount is Rs 3 trillion. The deposit amount is said to be 314 billion. According to the bank, the size of non-fund based business will be over 130 billion. The branch network will immediately reach 235. The number of customers will be over 1.6 million. Naval Bank has been promoting its business by focusing on sustainable banking and digital banking in line with the needs of the customers, the bank said in a statement. Both the banks said that the agreement was reached keeping in view the policy adopted by the Maharashtra Bank to encourage mergers and acquisitions and a long-term strategic plan of the banks. Naval Bank, which is in the leading position in terms of brand, is confident that it will be leading in all indices among the commercial banks after acquiring Nepal Bangladesh Bank, a leader in non-fund based business. This is the second time the central bank has called for mergers and acquisitions between banks. Earlier, Global IMA Bank and Janata Bank were merged. However, the two banks had been engaged in discussions for some time. The two banks have formed a joint merger acquisition committee, and as per the recommendation of the committee, the agreement on acquisition has been unanimously passed by the meeting of the board of directors of both the banks. Asa Rana Adhikari, director of Naval Bank, and Ananta Paudel, director of Naval Bank, were present on behalf of Naval Bank under the coordination of director Uday Krishna Upadhyay. Similarly, a joint merger acquisition committee was formed on behalf of Nepal Bangladesh Bank, comprising of Director Mohammad Sal Alam Sarwar, Director Indra Bahadur Thapa, Director Aman Shah, and Chief Secretary of Naval Bank Manoj Gyawali. The MOU signing ceremony in Kathmandu was attended by the directors and high-ranking officials of both the banks. With this, we are at the end of the report. Thank you for hearing till here. Don't forget to like and share to our video.